Hello and welcome to Digital CAD. I am Miraj Ansari, Autodesk Certified CAD Trainer. Welcome to the next session. In this session, we are going to create this drawing. This is very interesting drawing, as you can see here. You know that we have already set the template and unit tab, that is and you can check by pressing U and enter. Here you can see you can type from your keyboard directly. Okay, so here you can see the length is selected by decimal and precision is 0.02 and unit type is millimeters. Okay, we have created this drawing in our previous lecture. Now in this session we will create this one. Okay, so first of all, analyze the drawings first and then where to start from, that is very much important. Okay, so let's begin. We have already created some important layers and we are going to start from this drawing layer. You know how to create the layers. Okay, then we are going to start from this circle. Here you can see 40 or 66 diameter. You can see here 66 diameter. Here we have center and diameter type of circle. Just click, specify the center point, click anywhere and type the diameter value, that is 66. Okay, first circle is created now. Now second circle we will create this one. Okay, how could we do that? Let's have a look how to create it. The diameter is given 40. So again select this one and now select the center point and diameter is 40. That's it. And now what we have to create, one circle of radius 6. We will create it here in this quadrant point. Radius is 6. Select center and radius, select the center point and radius is 6. Now what, TR double enter, trim this one. Okay, and now this one you can just select this half circle and here we have the polar array. Find out the center point and click here. And how many half circles we need? 6. Already we have 6 circles and press close array. TR double enter, just trim all the unwanted integers like this. Okay, next thing is to create first of all take one vertical line and one horizontal line. That is very much important. Here you can see you can drag it like this. Okay, and again one second, just drag this quadrant. Here you can see. Okay, that's it. Now what, make an offset of 65 in the upper direction. Offset, specify offset distance, that is 65, enter. Select this horizontal center line and click in upper direction. Okay, this is done. Now what, create 2 circles. Here you can see create 2 circles of diameter 20 and 32. Here you can see center diameter, this is your intersection point. Diameter is 20. Again same circle 32. That's all, we have done it. Now you can see we must create one fillet here of 64 both side. Here you can see this one and this one. Okay, fillet, click here, go to radius, 64 is the fillet, click on multiple so that we can use fillet tool continuously. Okay, done it. This is done, this is done. Okay, now see again what, here you can see we need 26, 47. So offset 26, enter, select this horizontal line, click downward direction. And now 47, select this vertical line, 47, enter, and this is done. Now we need 2 circles of radius 7 and radius 10. Now center, Here you can see radius 7. Okay, space bar to repeat the same command, radius 10. That's all. Okay, now see. Now what to do here? We must apply here 20 radius and here 10 radius. So again fillet tool, radius 10, enter. Okay, so 10 which side? This side. Select this one and this one. Okay, now 20 which side? This side. Space to repeat the same tool, go to radius and 20, enter. Now select this circle and this circle. Yeah, done it. Now what? We must mirror these operations in the other side. So just select them all one by one. Go to mirror tool. Here you can see, start from here, first point of mirror line, second point of mirror line, and no. Yeah, we have done it. Now last thing, we have to create this one, and we must take an offset of 24 in the downward direction. Offset 24, enter. Select this horizontal line, click here. Now two circles we need, diameter 10, diameter 20. So diameter 10, space to repeat the same thing, and diameter 20. Okay, done it. Oops, double click. Actually diameter we need 20, not radius 20. Okay, so I'm sorry about it. Done it. Now radius is 20 this side as well as in this side. So go to fillet, radius 20, multiple, select this circle and this circle, again this circle and this circle. Now we have completed this drawing. Now delete all the reference lines. Here you can see. Yeah. Now what? Trim all the unwanted, tr double enter, just here, 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 here you can see, completely done. And now this one and this one too. Yeah, we have done it. So looking great, na? Okay. Now what? Select the center line layer, go to annotate, and this is center mark. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, just one by one click. Now completed. Here you can see, completely done. Now it's time to show all the dimensions. Okay, so let's have a look. Select the dimension layer and go to linear, and now here you can see, select this point to this point, place it here, select this dimension, go to continue, like this. Okay, now done it. Now here you can say 65, just again press space bar. Okay, select this one and go to continue dimension. Okay, and here 24. Okay, skip it. So we have done it. Now what? All the radiuses. Okay, so go to radius, select 16, or even you can show, because this is an arc actually, so just show radius. And now this is one radius, this is one radius, so it is understood actually, because okay, now one side just show all the dimensions. Now that's it, or then radius, otherwise this side diameter we must show here. Okay, sorry, ortho mode off. Okay, now again here you can see diameter. So we have completed. Okay, now here you can see the diameter is 40 given and radius is 6. Radius is 6. Show it here. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Okay, fine, just to show it outside the drawing like this. So now what, here you can see, actually go to annotate this break and select this and this. If here you can see break and again break, select this one and this one. Here you can see an enter or a space, so you can show break lines. Now done it. Okay, we have done it. And apply some gradients. Here we have one more layer, gradient, and here you can see green color and whatever color you need. So just click wherever you need. Okay, enter. Oops, missing something, so just again space bar to repeat the same gradient color. Okay, be careful. Here you can see looking great. And here we have to show. Now that's all about this drawing. So that's all. If you like this video, if you like this tutorial, then do a favor to this channel. Please subscribe this channel and hit the like button. And if you want regular updates from this channel, from our videos, then press the bell icon please. Okay, bye bye, good day, take care.